Thank you for joining me today. We're going to look at generic inquiries and how to add a column. In my role, it would be helpful on the sales orders generic inquiry to have a couple of additional columns here to help me search for orders. Specifically, I would like to see the customer order number and the external reference number exposed on the generic inquiry list. Starting at the Column Configurator, I can find that the customer order number is here. So I can simply click on that and add it to the screen. But looking down through the list of other available columns, I do not see external reference number. So I'm going to click OK, and we'll see the customer order number appear. Now to add the external reference number, I will go to the generic inquiry and modify the results grid. We'll start on the customization button. If you do not have this button on your screen, check with your system administrator, as this is a role option. But I'll go straight to the generic inquiry here. Pull it up, look at the results grid, and I'll scroll down through the list of columns that have been added. Let's go ahead and do a plus. And I know I want external reference number. Here we go. This looks right. External reference number. Make sure it's visible. Going to hit save. Now let's view the inquiry. Please note that these changes we're making are global, so all users will now see the new fields that we've added. Well, I'll scroll over to the right. We do have a new column, but it's not external reference number. It's payment ref. Well, that's not the one I added. So let's go back to the sales order and let's check and see what the field name is for the external reference number. I suspect it's not external reference. Back to the customization button on the screen, I'll do inspect element, hover over the field and click, and we'll notice that it's actually called customer ref number. So that's convenient. Now we have this new information. Let's go back to the generic inquiry and edit the results grid. So now I know I don't need that one. I need customer ref number. There we go. And we'll notice now I get external reference number appear in my grid. And that's a quick overview on adding a column to a generic inquiry.